Hello, hello, hello. This is Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I am an investor as well who always helps you to buy profitable real estate investments. For the last couple of years, we've been working here in Waterloo Kitchener area a lot. Hundreds of our investor clients have invested here. The reason is a huge tenant pool is here. Two universities are here, Waterloo University and Wilfrid Laurier University. Many Conestoga College's campuses are here. Hundreds of employers are here. Within 10 minutes reach, you can get to them. LRT is here, light rail train, which has connected Waterloo to Kitchener and now in the second phase going to Cambridge as well. So these are the major factors why investors are investing here, and that's why rentals are higher. Property appreciation is amazing. I am bringing you Strata condos here in close to Wilfrid Laurier University. You get steps to Wilfrid Laurier University. Within few minutes you can get to Waterloo University. Here in Uptown Waterloo area, and hundreds of employers you can get within 10 minutes reach. I have allocated units for you, so let's just book a unit for you. Let's make a deal. Give me a call at 647-532-3000.